Hey YouTube, this is Joanne coming to you today with another tutorial. I got 15 data entry work from home jobs. I got them for you right now. And before I go any further, don't forget guys to hit the like, subscribe, and the notification button so you don't miss any videos that I do. Okay? Don't forget now. Like and subscribe, share, do whatever you want. But we're going to get this money today. Number one is called Ideal Concepts. Insurance sales, $75,000 a year in commission. You're going to be doing sales like selling life insurance, and you got to have your health and life insurance license is required for this position. Strong sales skills experience. You got to know how to make sales, basically, to make $75,000 in commission, you got to have some type of sale. You know what I'm saying? Number two is Neuro Leadership Institute in New York City, marketing coordinator. 5 years experience in digital marketing experience in B2B, whatever that marketing, they need the B2B is what they're requiring. Data analytics and Google Analytics. The next one, number 3, I got 15. Before I go any further, don't forget to share this video. Friends, family, Google, hash, whatever you want to do. Just don't forget to share the video. This is number 3. It's called Square in New York City. It's a technical recruiter. You're going to build relationships and collaborate with senior management and hiring managers to understand the hiring needs and the team goals of the company. Number 4 is called Citi, which is short for Citibank. Remote, meaning work from home, a personal banker, full-time position. Conduct discussions with prospects to understand background and identify their needs. Clearly communicate potential solutions. Clearly communicate potential solutions. 3 to 5 years in banking. 3 to 5 years in banking. That's what they're looking for. Number 5 is called Warranty Protection Corp in New York City. And this is a telemarketing position. You can make up to $75,000 a year. $75,000 a year in commission. So if it's a commission, I mean, you can make more. And I just want to say these jobs is freaking legit. I do my research, so they're not bogus. And you honestly can really make up to $65,000 a year. The minimum you can make is $35,000 a year in commission. $35,000 a year. And they are looking for sales reps to work from home, previous telecommunication skills, marketing, or cold calling experience. So if you have this experience, these jobs are for you. These jobs are for you. And the next one is called The Real in Secaucus, New Jersey. Assistant manager, excellent organizational skills, value consignments as needed. Enforce SOP and categorize standards. Number 6, that's number 6. Number 7 is called Data Axxis in New York City, y'all. Freelance Designer. You can make from $35 to $45. $35 to $45 an hour. And they have contract. You get a contract with these guys. Generate ideas for workflow within the studio system. Within their system. Generate ideas for the workflow in the studio systems. You must have proven work experience as a senior production artist or a graphic designer or similar role. The ability to handle multiple projects at once. A lot of people can't do that. But you know what? I'm sure you can do it. I'm quite sure. We're up to number 8. Sorry, guys. The next one, number 8, is called DISH, Bilingual Greek Interpreter. $10 to $15 an hour. They give you 401k and medical, dental, and vision. The next one is Birkenstock in Manhattan, New York. Junior manager, $65,000, $85,000 a year. $65,000 to $85,000 a year. Conduct ongoing contact template testing to maximize the site performance. Collaborate with category management and CRM teams. The next one is called Story in New York City. Customer service rep. Must be based in Colorado and Florida, New York, and New Jersey only. You can only be based in these states. Respond to customer emails through the phone calls, and live chats. The ability to work from home in a quiet and dedicated space for yourself so you don't be disturbed. A quiet area so you could do your work efficiently. That's all they want. Next one is called million dollar. Do y'all hear me? I said million. I think I made that word up. Sounds pretty cool. $1 Million Woman in New York. $25,000 to $5,000 a week in commission. Tell me how awesome is that? You could make up to $5,000 in commission alone. Sales experience, high ticket phone sales preferred. High ticket phone sales is preferred for this position, y'all. Tenacious go-getter. Attitude, coachable, and willing to learn. You must be willing to learn, because a lot of people think they know it all. But you know what? I know the person that's watching this video, I know y'all is willing to learn in order to make $5,000 a week in commission. I'm willing to learn too. You know what I'm saying? Next one is CHS Consulting Group Vice President Coach. No experience necessary, just a strong desire to succeed and a great work ethic. That's all they want. A strong desire to succeed in a great work ethic. Make your own schedule, make your own hours, and it's on commission, y'all. Next one, number 11, is 7 Adams Marketing in San Francisco. Got it all. Don't forget, y'all, like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss none of these work from home, data entry, customer service jobs. I have it all. This one is a graphic designer. You can make up to $30 an hour. $30 an hour. Part-time position. That's not too bad. Conceptualize and design visually appealing, conversion, optimize landing pages using inbound and other drag and drop landing page builders. That's like what I use when I make my thumbnails. This is all your graphic designer. This is what you're going to be doing. Submit at least 6 landing page design, 6 graphic design samples, or a link to your digital portfolio with your resume. So they could check out your resume and see what you got going on. Because you could make up to $30 an hour part-time position in San Francisco. Number 12 is called BC Chain. BC Chain. I'm just not with these letters today. B Chain, New York City. Data entry, $15 to $20 an hour. Strong ethic, self-starter. Work at home or any location that you prefer. You have your preference. The next one, 13, is called East Con National. national, a title service. You're going to be based, it's East Con National Title Services. You're going to be a title reader. Never heard of that, but it's a title reader. Type up and generate title reports and email title reports. That's what it is. Along with title problems, client letter to clients and their attorneys. Next one, number 14. Number 14, y'all. Stay with me. Victory Bay Recovery Center in Laurel Springs, New Jersey. Coordinator, $40,000. $45,000 a year. And this is not commission. This is legit money. Like, this is your base. This is what you're going to get. It's not on commission. Answer admission call using a professional and courteous manner during work hours and after hours. On call and after hour coverage is required. After hour coverage is required. Lonnie, the last one is called Lonnie Moss in Chester, New Jersey. Financial advisor. $15 to $25 an hour. Part-time position. Provide assistance to existing insurance clients by mail, text, and letters. I didn't even know they do letters, but this position, if you could do letters, you good money. $25 an hour. Before I go any further, guys, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and hit that notification button so you don't miss any videos that I do. I do them fresh every freaking week. So you don't have to be looking for me. You don't have to be saying, where's Joanne? Where is her videos? I'm here. I got them for you. And I do them every week. And if you are considering getting an awesome website or an awesome blog, sign up. Y'all, listen. Sign up at Bluehost. It's a web hosting company. They are so freaking awesome. Like, they will help you through the whole process. And it's like $3.99 a month. $3.99 a month just for having your own website or your own blog. It's up to you. You have a choice. And it's easy to sign up. And if you sign up today, I will get a commission for you celebrating my channel. We're going to celebrate this channel. I will get a commission and you will get an awesome blog or an awesome website. It's all up to you guys. It's up to you. Twin is watching this video. It's up to you. Everything is in your hand. Do whatever you want. This is your time. You can get a website, beautiful website. You can, they'll help you through all the process. You can hook your website up. It could be a personal website. It could be an awesome blog. It's like your choice, guys. It's up to you. It's in your hands. And TubeBuddy is awesome. I'm going to put that link on the bottom also. TubeBuddy is helping me. Like, they give me all these tools to generate my videos. Wouldn't you like that also? TubeBuddy, sign up at TubeBuddy. They are freaking awesome. I'm not going to lie to you. This face doesn't lie. I'm telling you. Sign up at TubeBuddy and you will not be disappointed. I guarantee you. And sign up at Bluehost and I guarantee you have an awesome blog or your very own website in minutes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button, guys. Because you know what? I got all the jobs that you need. And you know what? I do this for you. I do it because I love you guys so freaking much. You have no idea how you make me feel when you subscribe to my channel. Or you even come and view my videos. that makes me feel so good because I know that I'm doing something, and I know that I have a purpose. I have to help you guys out because you know what? You help me, God. You help me out by just coming to my channel and showing love. That's all I want. Show the love, and you showing love, and I bring the videos every week, fresh. You don't have to look for me because you know what? Right here, full time. This is my full-time position. I do this for you guys. I want everybody out there to know I do it for you. And that satisfies me. We're going to help each other out. We're going to get these jobs, have some fun, enjoy life, put some money in our pockets, and make it happen. Make it happen. I'm going to make it happen. I'm going to help you. I'm going to do it. I'm going to make it happen. Don't you worry. I got you. Okay, so that being said, thank you for coming to my channel, showing love, my subscribers. I love you. And my potential subscribers, I love you too. Viewers, I love you guys just for showing love to my channel. I appreciate you. And thank you for coming to my channel. That being said, I'm going to sign out for now. But I will be back shortly to do another work from home, data entry, customer service video. With that being said, have an awesome day. Love you guys. Thank you for coming to my channel. Appreciate you so freaking much.